Okay, here's the hands-free round doorknob holder. This is going to go on like this, and so we'll start by just starting this screw here. And we can't know how thick your doorknob is. These are 1.25 inch screws, so if your doorknob is thicker than that, you would probably need longer screws. And so just put that there, and then start the next screw. And there's two, and here comes the third one. Okay, and hold it there square. Get my screwdriver. Okay, so far what we found is the spring in a doorknob that springs it back. If we use the larger tube, we would have too much weight on it. And we found that if we put the handle there, that's going to be too low, because you can pull it up, but it doesn't want to put the knob back to 0 like this one will. Okay, so if the handle's up, you're going to be good to go. And you can still reach in and turn the knob there. Okay, so this gives you the ability to take your hand and pull open the door. Okay, we have another one on this side. This one is more of a work in progress. We have to remachine these parts, because we found out that if we made this round, we would hit the door jamb at the door. So as we close this, this was hitting this trim here. So I've sanded this one down, but if we to finish a product, this one will be CNC cut to the right shape. So that's that one works like that. When you're opening a door, you'd probably use the back of your hand and then push when it's a push door. When it's a pull door, you would just take the back of your hand and pull it open. We're going to send you small versions of this also to use on your lever handle, and see if you like the smaller handle. Okay? Hope that helps. Thank you.